Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will try to teach how to recover unsaved Microsoft Word document. Let's start. We will create a Microsoft Word document. We open the Microsoft Word document file and then we copy some data, for example, from any browser. We copy this data and we paste. Okay. Now this Word document has been created. We have not saved at all, and for example, by mistake, if we close from here and don't save, how we can recover this Word document? Open the Word document, click on the blank document, click on File on top left corner, then Info, then Manage Document. You have to click on this area, Recover Unsaved Documents. Here you will see the list and we will see the time and the date what is close to ours. So this was the latest one that we have created it. Okay, if we click on it and select it and then open, you will get it what we have created before. Now you can save it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.